Hello and welcome back for another saxophone tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play the Ploughboy in the Grade 2 book today. Brisk little piece this one, a little bit tricky. I'm also going to play it through with a metronome click track for you to have a practice track to play along with at a manageable tempo. And then I'm going to invite you to play along with the piano accompaniment also all by yourself. And of course, if you're looking to improve your saxophone playing, then start right now and maybe consider subscribing to Nottingham Music Excellence. And don't forget to click that bell notification on the subscribe button, which will keep you updated with other videos that I do around this standard. Hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music now. I'm going to say a few words about some of the difficulties in this piece. Now, one of the difficulties I think with this piece with young players will be is just the entry, the start of this piece. You don't get much time, do you? The piano just goes da-dum ba-ba, da-dum ba-ba, and then you're in. So very little time. You've really got to know exactly how the saxophone fits with those opening bars. So let's have a look at this phrasing detail then. So I would play... So play that a few times and really phrase off neatly on the third note on that B. Now what I mean by phrase off is it's one of those things where you've got the legato and the staccato. So you're not going to tongue the start of that note, but you are going to clip it off and just phrase it off. So I haven't tongued that B, but I have put my tongue on the reed to finish the note off early, if that makes sense. Hope that does. So get that nice and neat and then practice the notes in that next bar. Now I've done this piece with a few pupils now and I've noticed they tend to want to play that bar with the staccatos a little bit sloppy sometimes, sort of. So don't let that kind of sound too lazy. Keep it really neat and really accurate. And notice I'm putting a lean on the beat there on the E, so there's a tenuto line marked there. Give that a bit of a lean and it would just help the phrasing as well. So I'll put that together again for you. And then the next bit I think is okay, just going up to the middle finger C. And then the same again. And that's your opening section done. Now the next bit is rather easy, isn't it? Nice and easy. You just got to know how this fits with the piano. And then watch your bottom D down here. So good crescendo up there, back up to the D, so then we're back in with the tune again. And then we just go back to the tune. So all looks fairly easy and fairly straightforward so far. So I think the difficulty is with this is the tempo. It's quite quick. If you've listened to the ABRSM download recording of this, it goes pretty quick. It goes at some lick. So be careful what tempo you're going to play this at. Don't play it too fast, I would suggest. And just be really careful how it synchronizes with the piano. It feels like a little bit of a battle with this piece with the piano. The piano part is quite prominent and quite loud. It's quite relentless, isn't it? So I think you've got to be very careful just to keep your sound on top of the piano and don't get intimidated by it. So I think all in all, I think the Ploughboy is probably my favourite out of the 3 A pieces. I've done this with a few pupils now, and it just seems to tick along a little bit easier than the other two. Despite its quick tempo, I think it's just a little bit more manageable. Okay, so I think that's it for the tricks and tips for this piece. Over to the play along section now. I want you to play along with me with a metronome and see if you can play it at a really steady and even tempo. Here we go. So two bars of minims for nothing. So 1, 2, 2, 3. And now have a go and play along with the accompaniment yourself and see if you can keep it really accurate with the piano part. Here we go. Okay guys, I think that's it for the Ploughboy. I think that's a wrap. So if you did make use of this video, then please click the like button and leave me a complimentary comment maybe in that comment section below. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.